Indeed, part of life is that you will go through challenges even in your own health on a regular basis. Once or twice in the year you might get a flu, a cough, a sickness, a bit of a stomach run, etc. It's part of the plan of Allah to show you, oh mankind, you are only but human. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Take it in your stride. Take it in your stride. It's not the end of all. You're a believer. May Allah alleviate the struggles of those who are homeless. May Allah alleviate the struggles of those who don't know where they are going to eat their lunch today, if any meal at all. May Allah alleviate the struggles of those who are finding it difficult to get clothing to cover themselves. May Allah help those who are homeless, those who don't have, those who are unhealthy, those across the globe who are struggling with anxiety and uncertainty. May Allah make it easy for them, for us, for everyone. Pray for others. You find the mercy of Allah descending upon you. Here is Muhammad, peace be upon him, telling us when you pray for someone else, the angels are saying, oh Allah, give this person something similar or better. Whose dua is better? Mine or the angels? The angels. How do I achieve the dua of the angels? By praying for someone else.